your first meditation. Find a quiet and comfortable place where you can sit undisturbed for a few minutes. You can sit in a chair, on a cushion, or on the floor, whichever is most comfortable for you. Sit with your back straight, your feet flat on the ground, and your hands resting on your knees or in your lap. Choose whether you feel more relaxed with your eyes gently closed or softly open. Take a few deep breaths, inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. Allow yourself to relax and let go of any tension or stress you may be holding on to. As you continue to breathe deeply, bring your attention to the sensation of your breath. Notice the coolness of the air as you inhale and the warmth of your breath as you exhale. Don't try to control your breath. Simply observe it. As you focus on your breath, you may notice that your mind starts to wander. Thoughts may pop into your head, distracting you from your breath. This is normal. It happens to everyone. When you notice that your mind has wandered, simply acknowledge the thought and gently guide your attention back to your breath. If you find it difficult to concentrate on your breath, you can try counting your breaths. Inhale and silently count 1, then exhale and count 2. Continue counting your breaths up to 10. Then start again at 1. If you lose track of your count, simply start again at 1. As you continue to focus on your breath, you may begin to notice a sense of calmness and relaxation spreading throughout your body. Allow yourself to sink deeper into this feeling of calmness. Let go of any tension or stress. When you are ready to end your meditation, take a few deep breaths and slowly open your eyes. Take a moment to notice how you feel and how your surroundings look, sound, and feel different after your meditation.